Our medium to heavy-duty Z-clips are designed for clean installation and reliable performance. Available in 2-inch, 3-foot, and 6-foot lengths, the Z-clips provide support for a variety of panel sizes. Position the cleats on both the wall and panel to mark your mounting points and ensure a secure and accurate fit. When mounted, the interlocked cleats create a strong low-profile connection between the wall and panel, distributing weight evenly across the entire length. The lift-off design allows panels to be easily removed when needed, making maintenance and renovations easy. The longer cleats can be used on both the wall and material. Cut them into custom lengths for a precision-fit panel mount display. With a clean, low-profile appearance, the Z-clips allow you to mount multi-layer panels and logo displays. It's an ideal solution for both functional and aesthetic installations. Available now from MBS Standoffs, your source for high-quality mounting and display solutions.